children. In last class we studied the addition and subtraction of integers and its rules how to do the additions and subtractions. In this class we'll learn how to write the integers based on the statements. Before going to that, just recall what you already learned in your 6th class, that is assigning the sign by saying some words. If I say an aeroplane is flying above 300 meters from the sea level, above 300 meters, it indicates a positive. And if a submarine is floating at 250 meters below the sea level, means you have to give minus 250 meters. Like that, based on the statement, you have to assign the integers with a positive sign or a negative sign. Above, up, high, profit, deposited, increase. When you see these words in the statements with some value or a number, you have to write with positive sign. Below, down, low, loss, debit or withdrawn, decrease. When you see these words along with numbers in the statements, you have to give a negative integer as the answer. Please note down these things, and here you have, for all these things you have to give plus value. And for all these things you have to give negative. Now you have to write the integers by reading these statements. First statement, a person gained 250 marks in an exam. Here you have to observe this word gain. Gain means positive. So what is the integer you can give for this? Positive 250. Means you have to write plus 250. Second statement, Radha incurs a loss of 5000 rupees. Here you have to identify the word loss. Loss is negative. So you have to write the integer 5000 with a negative sign. Minus 5000 is the integer you can give this statement. Next statement, Ramu climbed 40 steps up. Here you observe this word up. Up is positive, down is negative. Here 40 steps up means you have to write the integer as plus 40. Ravi deposited 2000 rupees. Deposited. Deposit is positive. Withdrawn or debit is negative. So deposited means 2000 rupees. So plus 2000. Ooty temperature is 4 degrees below the freezing point. Freezing point is nothing but 0 degrees. So below means negative. So you have to write the integer as minus 4. Like this, you have to write the integer based on the given statement. Let us see a practical problem based on the additions of the integers. Here I gave a question. A person scores the marks in different subjects are given below. A person scored these digits plus 5, minus 4, plus 2, plus 3, minus 3, plus 5 and minus 2. Now he is asking what is his total score. Total is nothing but addition. So if you want to find his total score, you have to add all subject marks. Right? Now how will you start the question? By writing the given data. Given that scores of subjects. What is the scores? Plus 5, minus 4, plus 2, plus 3, minus 3, plus 5 and minus 2. Now what will be his total score? Total score will be, you have to add all subject marks. That is 5 plus minus 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus of minus 3 plus 5 plus of minus 2. Yesterday we already discussed about this multiplication of signs. Now what is the next step? 5 will be the 5 plus into minus, you have to open the brackets. So multiply the signs. Plus into minus, minus 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus into minus, minus 3 plus 5 plus into minus, minus 2. Now write the numbers. First you can directly do from here, or else you can easily do some other calculations also. I am doing from the left to right. 5 minus 4, 1. 2 plus 3, 5. Minus 3. 5 minus 2, 3. Yesterday I already said that if you are adding a number with its additive inverse, we can cancel this. Minus 3 plus 3. We can easily cancel, or we can write it as 0. Now what is the answer? 1 plus 5. That is 6. Just a simple calculation. You have to understood how to remove the brackets. After removing the brackets, you can do the addition and subtraction as you like. I did from left to right. 5 minus 4, 1. 2 plus 3, 5. Minus 3, I write minus 3. 5 minus 2 plus 3. So plus 3 minus 3 will be cancelled. 1 plus 5, 6 is the answer. His total score is 6. I'll conclude this session with this one more example. I'm reading the question. Srinagar temperature was minus 5 degrees centigrade on Monday. And then it dropped 2 degrees centigrade by Tuesday. What was its temperature on Tuesday? First question, you have to find the Tuesday's temperature. And again on Wednesday it rose again to 4 degrees centigrade. Means it again rose to 4 degrees centigrade. Then what is its temperature on Wednesday? That is your second question. You have to find the temperature on Tuesday and you have to find the temperature on Wednesday. First, what is temperature on Monday? Monday's temperature is minus 5 degrees centigrade. Means below freezing point. And then it is dropped. Listen, observe this word, dropped. Dropped is nothing but negative sense. So you have to give a negative sign. It is by Tuesday, it's again dropped by 2 degrees centigrade. So what will be the Tuesday's temperature will be? Tuesday's temperature will be how much? Monday is minus 5 degrees centigrade. And again on Tuesday, it's dropped again by 2 degrees. Dropped means minus 2 degrees centigrade. Both are negative numbers. Recall the properties which I already discussed in the last video. Minus, minus. Same signs are there. Add the values. So 5 plus 2, 7. And what will be the sign come? Minus, minus. So answer is also in minus. So minus 7 degrees is the Tuesday's temperature. But on Wednesday, what happened? Roses with 4 degrees. Rose is just a positive sense. Means it rises up to 4 degrees. Rising, a positive sense. So what is the Wednesday temperature? Wednesday's temperature will be temperature will be, on Tuesday it is minus 7 degrees. On Wednesday it rose up to 4 degrees. So minus 7 plus 4. Why I am writing plus 4? Because it is rising up. Rise in the sense positive. So plus 4. Minus 7 plus 4. Again recall the properties. Alternative signs. This is a negative number and this is a positive number. If one negative number and one positive number is there, subtract the values. What is the difference between 7 and 4? It is 3. And which sign we will give? Which number is bigger in this? 7 or 4? 7. So what is the sign with 7? Minus. So give the minus sign. So minus 3 degrees is the Wednesday's temperature. I hope you understood this clearly. Please go back to the video and again recall what we all discussed. Please do the assignment which will be given with this video. I hope you all will do. Thank you.